Hello everybody, welcome back to another exciting session with me. Today's class is about a story, The Lion and the Mouse. So let's start. One day a lion was fast asleep. A little mouse started playing on it. Suddenly the lion woke up and saw the mouse. The lion caught the mouse and was about to eat it. "Please leave me," begged the little mouse. The lion was kind and let the mouse go. After some days, the lion got trapped in a net. The lion roared, "Help me! Help me!" The mouse heard to it and ran to rescue. He bit the net with his sharp teeth. The lion thanked the mouse for the kind help. Moral: acts of kindness is never wasted. Alright children, hope you have really liked the story along with me today. See you again in the next session. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Risha Mam Preschool. Take care children. Bye.